And I'm shorty give me that looking down. This a everyday flex.
What should we call our subscribers? I can't say what's up guys every video. So like what would be a good one? Comment below what we should call you guys. Anyways, so today we have a project going on. The RST, as you can tell, El Fantasma's gonna show us how messed up the stripes are. Ridiculously bad. Oof. Yeah. Look at that. Like you can't even like scratch that off, dude. Like this is just straight
oxidation.
It's done, dude. It's bad. Yeah. But
it's pretty nasty.
Yeah, so we're gonna pull them off right now. But anyways, shirt race spec Model T for the RCF. If you like it, right underneath the video is a link for the white one because I haven't figured out how to get it printed on black ones because I'm me. If you like the hat, link below, racespec.com.
It's actually extremely high quality.
It's actually...
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah. Like,
show the insides. Have you ever done that?
The insides?
Yeah, they need to see like the stitching and everything.
No, dude, the stitching's
it's
pretty
nice,
sick.
yeah. It's embroidered.
Yeah, it's embroidered. Pretty good quality. Green underside. It's kind of like a baseball cap. Yeah, so if you guys want one, link down below. But yeah, so this is the task at hand. I'm gonna see if it's gonna peel off pretty easy. But if you guys don't know, we're gonna be at Truck Mayhem. We have a booth. This truck's gonna be on there. You guys wanna go visit us? Dude, so I redid these, I think 4 years ago when I originally had the truck and I used 3M vinyl. And I'm really glad I did right now because look at how easy this is coming off.
Not tearing too.
It's not tearing. Maybe it'll tear down here, what do you think?
Yeah, it's the weekend part.
Yeah.
Shit. I mean, shoot.
What? Chititos. We just had tacos. But yeah, we have our buddy Parker and Single T. They're on their way. They're visiting from Utah. If you guys have not seen our Utah series, check it out. We took the RCF all the way to Utah, and it was kind of cool. The donuts in the snow and stuff. But yeah, this is gonna be at Truck Mayhem, and then we're gonna like fast forward through this while they get here. And yeah, and then we're gonna go show you guys a secret spot. We're gonna go on a little cruise. Live in Southern Orange County, as you guys know. It's gonna be sick, so stay tuned.
You been smoked out, I've been low out on the road. Now eyes low, now bust a dope down, got the dope. Now you should know how, you should know how. All gas, no break, never slow down. Why as soon as I make money, they my bro. Now never
can. And if you guys remember, we got Trap Marrow over here, our channel project that hasn't gone anywhere because we don't have money. But yeah, there it is. Pretty cool. Gonna be a part of the video today. And here's where we are with the stripes so far. This one's almost off. Like this is where it gets just really hard, like that last final piece. This one's being extremely annoying. El Fantasma took off part of the small one, so I guess we'll take those off as well. Oops. We're still waiting for Parker and Single T. So we'll finish this off so we can get on going to the cruise and hunt some exotics in Newport. That'll be fun. Yeah, the Carbon's factory. No, it's a hydro dip.
Oh, the hydro dip is, yeah, you're
right. But yeah, guys, we're almost done taking off the stripes. Parker's here. Single T's in the house.
I just started, so I didn't do any of this.
Yeah, he just got here. For whatever reason, looks like a cholo. I don't know where he got that shirt. My apologies.
I got a dope hat, though.
Why you represent?
See that, dude?
Yeah, you got the hat.
I don't.
I have hats. But yeah, we have the...
Can I have the red one?
You have the trash down
like
here. Yeah, you can have the middle.
Come on, this is how I dress every day.
But you have to be on camera, though. No. Yeah, we got the trash down here, so we're gonna finish this off and head to George's spot. And
Dude, now you got me like all self-conscious.
You should not be wearing that. You should.
That's an insane shirt, dude.
I
love it.
You should buy one of my new design T-shirts. They're amazing.
Bad, dude. Whoa, that's a new shirt. I haven't even seen that.
That's pretty sick. You want to see the stock? Are you guys ready to go meet up with George?
No. George of the jungle, George.
Yeah, we're gonna.
George. Oh.
we're gonna go meet up with him. All of that is my trash, which is stock intercooler piping, intercoolers, and Parker values my trash. Who's gonna take it? So that's cool. But yeah, we're gonna head out. I'm being the RST. Trap Marrow's gonna be in Trap Marrow. So we'll see that. What's up, guys? Out here at the gas station in Irvine with Single T. We were on the freeway and I tried to do a couple pulls with the Camaro. Chuck was hesitating, wasn't boosting, so I think we're low on gas again, which means we're losing fuel pressure. If you guys don't know this, we have a dual pump setup, like the way I did it. If you're under a certain amount of gas, what do they call it? Whatever, you don't get enough fuel. So yeah, we just put some gas in it. Hopefully that was the issue. So we weren't boosting. Chuck was feeling funny. And our electric fuel sender for our gauge that's inside Watch out, Singleton. It messed up, so our gauge wasn't working, so we put this manual one in, and we can't see it from the cab, so we're just guessing right now. But all the pipes are there, everything's chilling. So, always something with this truck. Gonna go meet up with George and Trap Marrow across the street, and then we'll head out to Newport, see what kind of races we can find, assuming the truck is running. But the stripes are off, thanks to Single T and Parker. And we want to redo them. We'll see when we do that, but for now, let's head out. Yes, George, we're not seeing boost. Oh no, let's check this again. Still want a Procharged, George?
Yeah.
Alright, welcome to the club, bro. So you take this off and it makes a clicking noise. I think that I sucked too much air. Air went in there from here to the vacuum and we were done. Should be fine now. We'll find out.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're at the spot where they're gonna probably run. See if we can catch him. By like what, a car length?
I had a car at the end, it looked like.
I mean, he got the hit and he kept it. We're gonna go again for sure.
I wonder if he didn't have Singleton in the car.
There's a bend right here. There's no way they're gonna go here. He's done. Woo! Nick's gonna be like, send him on, bro.
For all of those who don't know, once you win a race, you don't race again. You already won. It's over.
Yeah.
Especially if you win by like something that went wrong. You just do it once, you always win. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Dude, you can't risk losing. And if you took the hit and you won by a little bit and they're coming back in, you gotta hit the brakes. Because then you still get the win. And you're like, sorry, bro, my car was like running funny. What was that? It was a 911 turbo, but yeah, but just take your win and run and look at Bentley. Typical Newport, dude. Hey, look at the blondes over there.
Now we're talking.
Sick. All right, well, we're almost getting to the spot, and hell yeah. Our truck's being useless, as always.
No boost, you know?
No boost. Yeah, we don't have boost. Or they would have been history, man. Oh.
Get out of here.
Then I'm gonna go. If George says no, George means no. George does not negotiate.
You've already won. Let it go.
I'll give him this one.
That was pretty slow, man. I don't know about you.
Oh, no, we're beating the vet.
Motherfucker. Dude, George was like, you didn't do the freaking ball though.
So what are we doing?
We're literally gonna park and look at cars drive by in Newport.
All right.
Did Single T found a GT3 RS over there? He's like, oh my god, it's purple, bro.
Trash goes off.
Your exhaust was flopping.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, guys, we're out here at the spot. As you can see, the beach is behind us. Out in Newport, it's top secret. And then we got the Camaro out here. The vet jumped out of car length, kept it the whole time. So that was pretty sick. This is not building boost, so useless at the moment. I feel like we should get those stripes back on. Not a huge, you also had a passenger. We're getting all these excuses.
That's true.
But yeah, they're pretty evenly matched after the thing, so now we're just gonna hang out here whole time and mellow out, just talk cars. And then we'll probably finish this video with tomorrow, finishing the stripes, because I'm totally not feeling the no stripes. But you know, it is what it is. What's up, race speckers? But yeah, as always on this channel, our RST is broken for the 10,000th time. Oh look, fuel. Yeah, we're doing some mad dope pulls. We figured out why the boost wasn't working. Single T, can you light that up? We put the tube back on. We have full boost now. Did some dope pulls. Truck is fast. Probably, honestly, would have killed the Camaro, but you know, he's at home now. So yeah, anyways, we started smelling a lot of gas, and we were running lean when we tried to give it gas, and I'm like, I know what the problem is. Got the leaky boys again. So we had a lot of fuel from the back, and I felt it, and I felt a little O-ring, which means that it popped out of the fuel rail. Called AAA. They apparently I'm out of tows, even though one of those tows they couldn't take me home because RCF was too bagged. But yeah, anyways, so we thankfully had the tools on us. If you're gonna build a race truck, you should have tools on you at all times. But yeah,
Especially 10s and 8s.
yeah, that's what I use for this. So yeah, just putting this back on the fuel rail, and hopefully we get home. And then I know there's videos about like installing stripes, but like it's a race truck. What do you expect, man? But yeah, so we'll let you guys know if we can fix this, and I'll have to pay AAA $90 plus additional mileage. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, great success. The single T Parker Ray team got it done. Yeah, I'm getting really over this because the injectors go in a little bit slanted due to the way the intake manifold is. So I kind of want to get a Holly high rise just to like not deal with this ever again. But so far so good. Are we leaking, bro? Are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
Well, let's get home. Should we send it or be conservative?
Send it!
Ready?
Hit it.
We can't go that fast. That's not legal. But yeah, guys, we fixed it. So hope you guys like the pull. Yeah, it'll be an extra $90, and I'm like, are you filming? All right, guys, we are back home. Did one sick pull, well, like 10, but we only filmed one. And then, yeah, we made it back home, and we'll see y'all tomorrow afternoon when we actually finish the front stripes. So yeah, stripe video gone wild, I guess, man.
Something like that.
Yeah, I'll see you guys next time.